Welcome to Introduction to Web Development with HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. I'm Michelle Saltoun, and I'll be one of your instructors throughout this course to teach you the fundamental skills you need to develop web applications. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the overall employment of web developers is projected to grow 30% from 2021 to 2031, which is significantly faster than the average for all occupations. Web developers are in high demand across a variety of industries, from e-commerce stores to education platforms. With more and more people working remotely in our increasingly contactless world, this will continue to be a huge growth area. This course will introduce you to the fundamentals of programming for the web, what it means to be a front-end, back-end, or a full-stack developer, what languages you should learn, and what tools you can use to help you progress in your chosen field. This course is designed for everyone. It doesn't matter if you have a background as a developer. Whether you're an IT person looking to develop new skills, a fresh graduate looking to make a career in cloud or web development, or someone who's never touched programming in their lives, this course will equip you with everything you need to get started. So, absorb the videos, reinforce your learning with the quizzes, and use the discussion forums to talk with your peers and your classmates. Finally, make sure you complete the hands-on portion of this class throughout the course and start building a portfolio to demonstrate to future employers. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey, and good luck.